Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Okay, I'm trying to explain if somebody asked about this scale object. Okay. Okay, almost done. Okay, so this is the page. Oh, yes, that's good. Okay, put the thing wrong. So, basically like the child objects is, say I want to know what are all the child objects. See, this is a page object, right? And this page has different child objects, right? So username is a child object and the password is a child object, login is the button. So you can get all these child objects from this page, right? So if you add this object, the page object, to the object repository, and then so this is the page, and then this page is going to support dot child object. So it returns a collection of child objects contained within this object. So you see, like if you want to get like what are all the different edit boxes on this page, like there are 3 edit boxes, right? So you can get where it is particularly useful is get the child object. In some of the applications, you see in the web table itself, there are some links embedded. That in that case, like if you want to, I think, yeah, we already have that scenario, right? So here, how it's recognizing, is it a link or the web table? Oh, this is directly doing as a link. See, in some of the applications, like what happens is, in the cell, like you see the links embedded. So if you want to click on that link, you can directly do that. Okay. So you cannot, your script cannot directly click on the link. So what you have to do is just you can click on the cell. That time like you can get the child object. But I don't see any scenario here where you see the element or the link embedded, or sometimes like you also get the buttons embedded in the table. Okay, I don't have any such scenarios to explain the things better. Times of India. What is the Times of India? Where is that? Yeah, this is directly linked. Here it's giving me the direct link. Okay, so anyway, so that's where I select the scenario where you can get the object and then click on that link where uh, the links are embedded within the table. Married to explain that. Okay. Vimti, like, what's your question? Hello, are you there?
Hi, Sri. Can you hear me?
Yeah. What's the issue?
I was running the script, the data-driven script, but it was giving an error that wait one second.
Okay, you can share the system.
Yeah. See, I'm using the name under V, lady.
What?
Can you give me access on just V? Okay, this is the script for data-driven, and those are the files, the functions and constants. So I just, when I run, uh-oh.
Did you say error?
No, this is now error, but before that, if I skip it, sure, you go ahead and take other question, and meanwhile I'll do this.
Okay. Object. Just give me one sec. Okay. So that way, like the tail object, right? If you look at the application. Okay. So here on this particular page, there are different links, right? So these are all the different links. I want to know how many links are there. So these are the different links. How many links are there on this particular page? Or how many edit boxes are there? Or how many buttons are there? So I can get all the tail count, right? So there is a concept called in QTP, the description object. Okay, so I'm going to say declare one variable, say describe edit, or just let's say the links, right? So this is the variable. And then, so you're going to create the description object. Okay, how you create a description object is set, and then that's the variable. And here you're going to say description dot create. Okay, description dot create. And then you're going to assign the property value pair to this description object. Now that's like what the link, the property value pair. So if you spy, then you will know, right? Just now we will do test. HTML tag. Okay, let me find it. This is the link, right? Shortcut is the link. And then you are going to use the HTML tag, and the value is J. This is the property value pair. So I'm going to use this, and then I keep it within the double quotes. It's equal, say, A. This is the property value pair to recognize the link, right? And now I'm going to do little, just one line of script. So this is the page, right? And now I'm going to say set, and then so declare one more variable, a list of links. That's one variable. Then I'm going to assign this variable to this. And then here on this page, I'm going to get the child object, and then you're going to give this description. This is the description object. So once you get this, then you can get the list, the count, saying that dot count. Okay, so that you can also run, and then HTML tags. Oh, sorry, I missed here. Should be the value pair, right? Then it's going to say, okay, how many links are there on this particular page. So it's going to give the child object, the link child object on this particular page. So this way you can get any child object, the count from the page, right? The list of the child objects. Suppose if you want to get okay, how many edit boxes or how many list boxes displayed on this page or how many buttons. So you're going to pass that particular object property value pair here. So you spy it. Right? So then you're going to pass like, okay, the class name, web edit, and then you're going to pass a HTML tag input. So there are the properties that you can see. So instead of link, now you're going to say input. That is the HTML tag. So that now it's going to say, it's going to give you like what are all the edit boxes or what are all of them. It says there are 5 buttons. Did you see 5 buttons? I don't know from where it is getting. I see 2 buttons here. Maybe it's taking this one is also a button. And similarly, maybe there are 5 buttons actually on this page. Okay. I see 3 buttons and also somewhere 2 buttons are there. Okay, I don't know where are they. But this is how it's going to recognize and then it's going to get all those child objects. Okay, so all you have to do is create a description object, and then what are the property values? that you have to pass it. And then, oh, I'm sorry. I gave the input box, right? Yeah. There are 3. Where are the other 2? So that's like you're going to create a description object, and then say if you want to find out, okay, how many links are there, even if you go to the next page, I want to get the tail object, the links, the number of links, the number of edit boxes, the number of links, all you have to pass is here, the property value pair. Then you will get the count. Okay, that is best for the tail objects. Lavanya, I think you asked it. Okay. Um, okay.
Do you see? Do we use only for links only?
No, just here I am giving this time it is edit box.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
You can use you can get any object. This is the input box. Before when you put here A, then it is a link.
Okay. If they ask means if you want to find the number of buttons or number of links, we can use the same object method. We can say like that?
Yeah. If they ask like, okay, how can I get, say, I have a number of edit boxes, I want to get number of links on this particular page, how you do that, then this is the way.
Okay. And one more, yeah.
Get the tail objects on the page.
Okay. Thank you. And one more question. Here, if using object repository means, if you add one object means by default it adds the number of lot of objects, right? So then, my object repository is going to full. Then what can we do?
That is required, right? That's required.
I'm sorry?
That is required. So, because I don't understand full means what, so that is how it is. You need the object.
Oh, okay. In such case, we are confusing which object we need. See, before we created one contact, right? Create a contact module.
Right? So basically, you're going to look at the icons, and then you can look at the name, like which object you need. So that way, just once you start looking at those icons, once you're familiar with the object repository, then it's very easy to identify them. So if you look at, say, here, okay, when I look at this collection, okay, which object I'm going to use. So basically, I'm going to look at the icon and look into the collection. Suppose if you're interested, I want to click on a particular link. Okay, this is the collection of the links in your object repository. This is the icon. Okay, then go and look at, okay, you want to click on a shortcuts link, or you want to click on, say, read all links, or just, okay, no, I want to click on a particular button. Okay, which button? So this is button collection. Okay, I want to click login button or email password button. This is edit boxes. Similarly, these are the tables. So if you're familiar with the icons, that's what actually once you start looking into the object repository for a couple of times, then you should be familiar with what is the collection of objects.
Okay. Can we add only one that particular object only if we contact?
You can add, but how many times you want to do that? That's the big question, right?
Oh, okay.
If you want to add, say, okay, no, I want to add. So if you look at this particular page, by default it's going to select this one, right? Okay. If you select only that particular thing, then it's going to add only that particular object. But this way, you want to add single object every time, then you end up with creating object repository only. So instead of that, okay, I want to bring all my objects on this page. Select the page object, and then it's going to add everything. And then do your scripting. Otherwise, whenever you need, yes, you keep add that object, that's going to take a long time.
Oh, yeah.
Whereas
Yeah,
if now you
that,
add this many objects to the object repository, you have to repeat that process maybe that many times.
yeah, it's better clear answer. Yeah, thank you, Sri.
Okay.
And Sri, in the something similar to that, I had another question. In my application, when I use it, the names are not very distinctive. Sometimes it just says as, edit 1, edit 2, edit 3, edit 4, like that. So on the OR, when you, if you just open one of the resources, there is a name column on the top. Can I edit that? Will it affect my
No,
yes,
so
like,
once you change it, yeah, you can do that.
you can do that, and that's not going to affect the property, right?
No.
Okay, because that becomes more,
Yeah, you
I'm
can
able to
change it.
understand that, yeah.
Correct. So you can change it. So there is no problem. So all you have to do is just open it and then okay, no, I want to use this. Say something I want to change it here. Say login button. Okay, so you can change that. But only thing is you make sure like the same button is used in your script. Okay. So when you come here, then it says the same thing. Okay, login button click.
Yeah.
So, but before you develop the script, then you make sure like you change those things. Otherwise, like what happens in your script, just it says login click, and then later just you change the object repository, saying that no, this is a login button. Then your script is going to say, saying that hey, that particular button is not found in the object repository because you changed the name.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Yeah, before you do the scripting, then you can change it. Or otherwise also like once you change the button name, then you make sure that button name is there in your script.
Okay.
So just come here and then okay, it's not login. Login is no more. And then now it is, it automatically gives the login button. So make sure that is reflected in your script.
Okay, thanks.
But that is, yeah, you can do that. You can change the name.
Change the name. Okay, thanks. And if you have a minute, the two questions that I have is, one is the string property that I told, and the other one is using a regular expression. There are two different applications.
Yeah, if you don't mind, first let me look at this WinPiece question and then
Oh,
I'll
yeah,
get
yeah.
back to you. Is it V
Sure.
or WinPiece? V, right? Alright,
Yeah,
so
Sri,
WinPiece,
I was running this script and I'm getting this error message.
actually specific to your function, just I want to look at your functions.
Okay, I just start first. Yeah, this is function.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, can you go to your script?
Construct script. Okay.
Yeah.
It creates the sheets, and after that, when we go to the row count, it gives me the error.
It's giving an error at the row count. Okay. Can you give?
Yeah.
Can you give a
And I
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.